Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel, and this is a 97 Honda Civic HX. The other day I did the rear brakes. As you can see, I replaced the shoes and the drums and the wheel cylinder. So my neighbor said that when you put it in reverse, the backup lights don't work. He changed the light bulbs. So now I need to check on the backup fuse. One way to find out is to look at the manual, and it is backup lights 7.519. So I think it goes like this or like this. I think it goes like this. Let me get my light and test light. Got my test light. Put the clamp on ground. Key on position. Alright, it's right over here. Looks like this. 19 is the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Yeah, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Power. Power. Okay. Open the hood. Oh, shoot. Okay, we're gonna look at the backup switch and test it. I did the clutch on this with my son, Landon. Push it in, bud. Okay, hold on. Put it straight. Keep on. What's behind it?
Yeah.
Alright, brother. Where is the backup switch? So that's it right there. Backup switch. Okay. There's the engine. The backup light switch is on the transmission side, so it's right here. You see it right there. And to pull this one off, this is with the connector. Oh, disconnect it right here. Yep. That's it. That's it. Oh. Oh, disconnect it right. Push down and pull. There you go. That's it. Then pull out the rubber casing over here. There you go. That's it. And then get a wrench. Get in there. Size 19mm. Get wrench. Let's see if this will work. Lefty loosey. Oh yes. Broke that. That's okay. Twist it out. Alright, that's it right there. When it's in reverse, it should turn on. So this is continuity infinite. Continuity infinite. Let's test it. Alright, this is my DVOM on ohms. Turn it on. It's dusty. OFL, awful. Where's my jumper wires? Here's my jumper wires. One right there. Good. Connect it any which way. See what happens. Shows good. Yeah, it's good. Good. So what we'll do, let's connect it, put on reverse, press on it, see what happens. Good. Okay, put on the on position. Reverse. Good. Of course, not on yet. I didn't press it. I'm gonna hold that down. Press this. Just gonna tape it. Got some duct tape. Yep, it's down. Let's check the. Oh, dang it! Check the reverse lights. Hey, it's working. What the heck? It's working. Maybe we just need to clean the connector. Let's do that. Here. First, we'll clean it with this. Got some gunk on it. Just clean it up. Let's clean the other connector. Maybe it's not having contact here. Alright, that's good. Let's let it dry. Hey, don't be a litter bug. Let's put it back. Got zip tie there. It's working. Working. I think I just needed some cleaning or what? I don't know, but it's working. We solved that problem, right? Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. God bless. Peace. Cut.